Hey foodies! Welcome to Fidel Food Villa. Today we are making a delicious beef suya wrap and I will guide you through this easy recipe. So let's get started. We'll kickstart this yumminess by marinating the beef. And for that we'll be needing some suya spice. I have this one the malams usually use to wrap the suya and this one as well that is used to grill it. I really love to use the both of them because they add different level of flavor. Okay, then I also have some salt here and then beef seasoning. Of course we're making beef suya, and then some pepper. This is a combination of Cameroon pepper and dried chili pepper. So I also have some vegetable oil and then blended onion, ginger and garlic as well. I would just add them all into the beef stripes in no significant order. Give them all a good mix together to combine, and then you can proceed to keeping this in the fridge for at least 1 hour to marinate. But I'm going to go ahead to transfer this into my oven tray. It has been sprayed with oil so that nothing sticks to the pan. So I'll just spread them evenly and then transfer that to the oven, and I would grill that for about 25 to 30 minutes, 220-degree. And after which these are ready, it is so tender and yummy. I would set that aside. Then for the cream, we would be needing some of that suya spice again. Of course, we're making beef suya wrap, so we'll be needing them. And I also have some mayonnaise as well. This is necessary for this recipe. I also have some ketchup. You can totally skip the ketchup. I have some full cream liquid milk as well, and then some full cream powdered milk because we need it so creamy and delicious. I also have some sugar as well. So I would start by mixing the powdered milk with the liquid milk. Then set that aside. In a plate, I will be mixing the mayo with the ketchup and then the sugar and the liquid milk as well. Then I'm just going to combine them until I get a very smooth texture. Once that has been achieved, I would add in the soya spice. Then give that a good mix. The soya spice is going to give it a very nice color. At this point, I'm going to be chopping the cabbage. I'm using cabbage, but you can make do of lettuce or broccoli, any kind of vegetable that you can find around you. You can also use carrots, just whatever, avocado, just do you, okay? Chop them very tiny, and then I'm going to also be chopping up some tomatoes. Once that prep is done, I'm going to open up the wrap. I'm making use of the store bought. You can actually make this at home, and I have a very detailed video on how to achieve that in my YouTube channel. Just check on the link below this video, okay? In the description box. After opening the bread, you now place the torn one on top of the good one. Then you spread the cream as much as you like it, and then add in the beef, the cabbage, the tomatoes, and then more of that sauce. Then to wrap it up, you just basically fold it as seen in the video. It looks so easy, right? Yes, I know. But just for extra clarification, I'm going to be showing you how to do that again. So after opening the bread, you place the torn one on top of the good one, then spread some of the cream. The beef goes in as well, and then the cabbage and tomatoes, then more of that delicious sauce. After adding that, you would now proceed to wrapping it up neatly, just as seen in this video. Then transfer that to your heated pan and heat them up on both sides. This is going to help seal up the tortilla wrap and also keep it warm. And that is it. Your beef suya wrap is ready. Try this recipe at home and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.